Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Today we continue our journey through Surah Al-Fatiha with the second powerful ayah, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Aalameen. All praises belongs to Allah, the one who created the flowing water, the skies, the tree, and every soul that breathes. This waterfall is a reflection of His mercy, power, and perfection. Today we will bring this verse of praise to life through the art of calligraphy. Bismillah, let's begin. For today's piece, I will be using a traditional bamboo qalam, a black ink, and a smooth paper. The style I have chosen is Thuluth, bold, flowing, and timeless, just like this verse. Let's make the intention that this writing is an act of praise and remembrance, dhikr, not just art. Let's begin with the first word, Alhamdu, all praise. It starts with Alif Lam, then the Ha, a strong deep letter, then the roundness of Mim, and we end with Tal. Each stroke is deliberate, each curve reflects gratitude because true Hamd is not just saying thanks, it's thanking from the heart with love and surrender. Next is Lillah, belongs to Allah alone. The majestic name Allah must be written with care and calm. As I write this, I remind all praise, beauty, and creation point back to Him. Now comes the final part, Rabbil Aalameen, Lord of all the worlds. He is not just my Lord or yours, but the Rabb of all creatures, seen and unseen. Watch how Rabba and Aalameen stretch across the page. The world is vast, and so His mercy. I slow down while writing Ain La Mim Ya Noon, feeling the depth of this part. It reflects how every leaf, every drop, every heart beats by His command. As I finish the composition, I look at how the verse flows, calm, majestic, praising just like the waterfall at the beginning, flowing without pause, always praising its Lord. Nature doesn't forget Allah, neither should we. This calligraphy is not just ink, it's silent dhikr, an offering of gratitude through art. Jazakallah khair for joining me in this moment of praise. Tell me in the comments which verse or name of Allah you would love to see the next. Until then, keep praising, keep creating. Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh.